Introducing smooth, creamy Lurpak cheese spread. Lurpak cheese spread has a fresh, smooth, creamy taste. Listen, Butterman.
Douglas?
Douglas, we are trying to do a tasteful commercial for Lurpak cheese spread, not butter. New Lurpak cheese spread. Ahem. It's a matter of taste.
Life's too short to sit and watch. If my hair gets in a mess, so what? I know what'll fix it.
Vidal Sassoon Wash Go. Salon shampoo and conditioner in one. Unlike ordinary shampoo, it completely conditions every strand, every time.
I can feel the difference instantly. My hair feels really soft and just falls back into shape.
Vidal Sassoon Wash Go. Great hair, no fuss.
I love entertaining, but I hate the ghastly aftermath, even with the dishwasher. First, the dirties, like this stuck-on egg. No, don't look, it's too awful. Then the delicates. Well, you can't trust conventional powders not to harm fine china, can you? Thank heavens for new Fairy. For the dishwasher, it's great at cleaning, naturally, so it even gets rid of sticky egg. And like Fairy, it's kind, so I can trust it with my delicate dishes as well. Unlike conventional powders, which can fade them. See? Beautifully clean. And my delicate dishes are in safe hands. New Dishwasher Fairy takes care of the dirty and the delicate.
And if I get there, I've got to win. The second Premier League season kicks off on Sky Sports Sunday, August the 15th, when League champions Manchester United face Norwich. The following day, the London derby, Tottenham against Arsenal. The following weekend sees New Boys Swindon against Liverpool and Aston Villa versus Manchester United. On Bank Holiday weekend, newly promoted Newcastle face Blackburn Rovers, then Leeds against Oldham. Then into September with Liverpool against Blackburn. The Premier League exclusively live only on Sky Sports.